Hi guys, how you going? Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to show you my little hack for my STARLINK Mini, especially if you've got a rooftop tent. Okay, so yeah, let's get stuck into it. It's such a simple modification to the rooftop tent, to any rooftop tent, especially if you're running STARLINK Mini. Again, once you've done this, you'll never go back and you'll never go searching again. Okay, so I run the STARLINK Mini DISHy mount. Okay, it has 4 magnetic feet. Okay, I've actually got the Perspex cover on top, which just adds a little bit of extra protection. And the STARLINK Mini, I've been running this now for probably 15 months now. And with this, I normally, I'll take it off, I normally have this unit magnetically mounted to the actual roof of the car. So what happens is I pop it on the roof of the car, plug in your cable. When I want to stop somewhere, if like I'm worried about leaving it on the roof, just pop it off, unplug the cable, throw it in the car nice and safe. So, and I love this, and I've taken this four-wheel driving off-road in every imaginable condition, you know, 110 kilometers an hour on the freeway, on corrugations, you name it, and this magnetic mount works absolutely brilliantly. So I wanted something then where I could then basically, if I had to pop the rooftop tent on, what happens is I actually can't put this on the roof of the car anymore. So I was looking for a modification that would basically suit me utilizing this as well. So now when I put the rooftop tent on, I ended up getting these 2 metal brackets, and they're about 4mm thick, and they've got sort of a right angle mount on the side, which had 4 screw holes. And again, you can utilize all 4 depending on your rooftop tent. I think 2 is absolutely plenty. And then I've bolted these into the sliding tracks on the rooftop tent, and these perfectly line up with the magnetic feet. So now, basically, and this actually, and again, you can have this pointing at the front of the vehicle or the rear of the vehicle. I've actually got this pointing towards the rear of the vehicle, okay? And then what happens is, I simply drop that on, okay? And mate, it is solid as. The rooftop tent would have to fly off for this thing to come off. It's not going nowhere. And then this, the power, because I've got the power at the rear of the vehicle, I just drop a cable down through the back, plugs into my King's panel or my power station, or actually in my rooftop tent, I've actually got a power source also, okay? So I can actually just simply run it from there. And again, because I've got this window, I can just simply run the power cable to the power source inside. So mate, this is absolute gold, and okay, so it takes a fair bit to get off and to put it on. Beautiful. And the beauty is too, when you get to camp, it works absolutely brilliantly. And look, normally you might park under trees or near trees where there's shade. And again, I don't recommend normally parking under trees, okay? But if you are somewhere where this would be obstructed, the beauty is when you get to camp, pop this off and then take it and put it somewhere else where it's easily accessible. But yeah, absolute gold. You also might be wondering why I simply don't put it on my rooftop tent itself. And it's, look, I've got my solar panel up there. I could probably rig something up to get it on the side nice and easily. But just for ease of accessibility, being in this position here, and the fact that I can just take it off easily when I get to camp, and you know, if this is already popped up and I forgot to take it off and it's right up the top there, it's just going to be so painful. Whereas this, it's absolutely brilliant in this position. And when you're actually driving along on the freeway as well, because you've got the rooftop tent comes down to this point here, it gets a bit of protection from the forward wind and the bugs and all that sort of stuff. So it's actually protected here, because I actually have this is actually at the rear of my vehicle. And again, you can mount these on the front like I suggested, but the rear of the vehicle is ideal. All right, nice and simple. And again, I couldn't find these on Amazon. You'll find them quite easily. So go suss them out. And if you want to find out anything more about the STARLINK Mini and again all my adventures, all the little bits and pieces, there's Again, I think there's over 30 or 40 videos on the STARLINK Mini and everything you need to know. Go back to the channel and you've got everything there. And as per usual, if you got something out of this video, please again give us a like, thumbs up, and share it around as much as possible, and subscribe. Again, every little subscription helps. Again, push the video out to a bigger audience, and again keeps me motivated to keep going. Alright guys, I better get back to the rooftop tent. I've got a few more mods to do, and again, go check out Open Road rooftop tent. Okay, there's a playlist there, but yeah, absolute beast of a rooftop tent. Alright, cheers. If I don't see you around the roads or the trails, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers guys, bye.